Welcome to Jendale Overland. I'm Johnny, and today we're going to be installing some fender extensions on my Gladiator. Join me. So when you look at the back of the Jeep, you can see the tires poke out that much. On the Wrangler Extreme Recon, you get this little fender extension that sticks out about that far. And that way you're not going to get pulled over by the police when driving down the road. I was watching Casey250 and he showed a video where he got those extension pieces for an actual Extreme Recon package through Mopar, and he installed them on his Gladiator. So I'm doing the exact same thing. So thank you, Casey. I'm going to put a link to his channel down below so you can check out his video and his install. To leave the bottom one in. Now, instead of using rivets like Casey did, I got these Christmas tree. That's what they're called, Christmas trees. And essentially, it should just push right in. There you go. And it holds right on there like that. And that's not coming off. Now let's take a look. Just for safe measures, I'm going to put a couple of more in. That's on there solid. That ain't going anywhere. So now we got to do the backside, which is a little more tricky. We're going to have to cut the flare so it forms the bend in the fender. Don't have to cut it by much, but you see how it's not shaped the same? So I just got to cut it just a little bit right about here. Okay, so here is the back. And now when you're behind it, it doesn't stick out as far. So I would say that is a huge success, and it looks decent. You see all this dirt and mud that's on the side of the Jeep? That might stop that a little bit too, with any luck. Hey guys, I know this is a real quick install video, and I thank you for joining me. Here are the part numbers in case you wanted to go out and get them yourselves. 6853-6652 AA and 6853-6653 AA. You're going to need 2 of each. Don't get the rears, get both fronts. The rears won't fit. I owe some thanks to Casey250, which I'm going to put a link to his channel below. He's the one that gave me the idea for this and gave me the huge tip to go out and buy these parts. So thank you, Casey, for that. So this is my first video of the year, so Happy New Year to all my viewers out there in YouTube land. And I know that not all of you who watch my videos are subscribers, so please consider subscribing to my channel. I got new content coming out every week, and I got another install video next week. Definitely stick around for that. Until the next time, guys, take care, and we'll see you again real soon. Take care. Bye-bye.